So this is a space heater that looks like a fireplace. Has this nice little fire effect with fake logs and fake light. I got this around Christmas time and I used it as a fireplace. We'd read Christmas stories around it. It was really fun to have with my kids. It comes in a small box. It is a very small space heater, but it works really, really well. It's nice and warm. So it's an infrared space heater. You've got two buttons on the back. One turns on the light effect and then the other turns on the heat. And once you turn on the heat, it instantly warms up. It takes just a few seconds before you'll feel the heat coming out, and it's really nice and warm. It's a very simple model. There's no thermostat or anything on that. You just have the heat and you have the light. Very simple. I like the small size because it's really easy to store. I only use a space heater for a few months out of the year, so it's nice. I can put this away. It doesn't take up a lot of room. I got this for free to do this review. I've been testing it out for just over a month now, and I've been comparing it with other space heaters, and it works just as well as any other space heater. Really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. It's a fun space heater to have. Thanks for watching.